Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving this percent problem. This question says, what percent of 30 is 5? So it implies that the percentage of a certain number multiplied by 30 will give us 5. So in this case, let's say the number be what? Let the number be n. So therefore, we can say that what? N percent of what? Of 30 will be equal to what? 5. So n percent basically implies that n over what? 100, right? Times, I told you that whenever you have off here, it implies multiplication. So n over 100 times 30 will be equal to what? 5. So n times 30, that is 30n over 100 will be equal to 5. So the next thing for us to do is to what? Cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we have what? 30n is equal to 100 times 5. So divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is what? 30 divided by 30. This cancel this. So we are going to be having 30 times 5. That is 500 over 30. This cancel this. So we have what? 50 divided by what? 3. So therefore, 50 over 3% of 30, will give us 5. So that is the implication of what you have here. So if you want to confirm, so let's just check. Let's check. So what is 50 over 3, right, percent of what? Of 30. So what is 50 over 3%? That is what? 50 over 3, over 3 divided by 100. I told you that when you say percentage of 100, right, of what? Of 30. So if I go further, I can say that this will now be what? 50 over 3, right, times 1 over what? 100 times what? 30. So what is it going to give us? 3 here, 1, right, 3 in 30, that is 10. 10 here, 1, 10 in 100, that is 10. So we now have what? 50 over 10 left, which is equal to what? 5. So you can say that that has validated this equation, that 50 over 3% of 30 will give us 5. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video. Thank you.